following takes place between 10:30 p.m. and 3:50 a.m. Eastern Time, somewhere in Canada.
The DIY Watch Club watchmaking kit. Oh my God, time to start getting nervous. Oh, here we go. We're looking at a GMT diver design, and this has got the MIYOTA 9075. This is new. This is the new one. But this one's got the 9075, so I am super excited to do this build. And you know what? I'm going to learn something along the way. All the different watch parts here. So I'm not going to give away too much of it. We want a little surprise for when we put the build together. And then all of your kit and everything underneath. This is to take off the case back, and your finger condoms. Those are going to come in handy. A loop, which should be great because my vision is terrible. Actually, close-up's not bad. My vision is for distance, but we'll see. And then all of the necessary tools for the assembly. I'm so excited, I can't even believe it. That's it. That's everything you get. Oh, nice little DIY Watch Club mat as well that you can use. But as you can see, we've got the movement, we've got the strap, we've got the dial, we've got the bezel, we've got the full case system. And then you have your additional pieces, and this is all going to be your hands and stuff. And I believe you get actually a couple extra sets of hands too, which is good. Yeah, there they are there. Whew, they're small. I am not a watchmaker, but I'm hopefully going to be one for about 2 hours to 5 hours anyway. DIY Watch Club, the Maxi GMT diver design. I'm not going to lie, I am a little nervous. I'm not a watchmaker. I put the watches on and I tell the time. And I'm so excited to see what it's going to be like to be hands-on and try to be a watchmaker for at least 2 hours. It might even be 5 hours. But you know what? If I run out of SD card space, no problem. I'll always edit it anyway, so you're not going to be hanging on there waiting to see me put this thing together. But you get the whole watch in its different pieces. You get all of the different tools that are going to be required to put it together. And all you got to do is follow the directions. And there's several videos online on YouTube or whatever to show you how to do it. So that's what I'm going to do to get to walk through, but I'm going to watch them first so I can get as much information as possible to see how this thing is done. But because I'm looking at a GMT diver here, so we're looking at a 4-hand movement with the new MIYOTA 9075. Maybe I should have started out with like the simpler 3-hand model, but you know what? Hey, why not go for the fences when you're trying to hit a home run, right? We'll definitely walk you through it and show you how it's done and give you as much information as you can so you can make a decision as to whether or not the DIY Watch Club experience is going to be for you. I'm Ross. Thanks for coming to the channel. I got to get to work here. It's time for me to build a watch. We've got the case, we've got the bezel, we've got the dial, we've got the movement, we've got those rings for the movement. We got all of the hands here. We got these what are they, cots? The cogs or whatever they are? They're like a condom for your fingers, so you can hold on to things and not have your fingerprints all over everything, which is great. All the necessary tools are back here, as I've already shown you. Alright, so we got that rubber gasket out. That's for your water resistance, obviously, for the seal from the case back. We'll just store that aside for now. And remember to store everything facing the closed side down so that we don't collect any dust in there. Now we want to take this inner case portion out, which also has the chapter ring on it. And this is the movement holder. So this is what we'll be using to install and put the movement together with the hands and stuff. Now we're moving on to the dial and an assembly of the movement. For this one we want to use finger cogs on your right hand as well. Alright, we got the new crown put in. We just slid it in and you can hear it click, and then now we turned it from the first position for winding, and it looks like we've got action. On to the next step. Wow, that little ring took me about a half an hour. Oh boy. Now we've got that movement ring there and we're ready for the dial. So here's the Maxi GMT dial. Oh, it's pretty gorgeous. Wow, is that sick or what? Look at that thing. So the dial has 2 feet that stick out on the back side of it, and they are going to go into the 2 points on top of the movement here, making sure that you have it lined up obviously for the date window at the 3 o'clock position. Okay, we got the Maxi dial on,
Next thing we have to do is we have to flip it over and we have to screw in the small little screws here so that we can lock the dial into place. Oh boy, wish me luck. Man, you gotta have some serious patience for this. I don't know how these watchmakers do this. And I apologize for the bright light here. I'm gonna have to bring it down a little bit in post, but all right, here we go. Let's try to lock this dial into place, and then we can worry about getting it ready to go for the case and get the hands put on here. Steady hands. You need steady hands. And if you think you can do this without a loop, you're gonna be sadly mistaken. Okay, we got the GMT hand on, so now we're moving on to the hour hand. And I think I've got it aligned pretty good so far. But working with those screws earlier, oh my goodness. So we started at 10:30. I forgot to mention that at the beginning. We started at 10:30 p.m. Amy went to bed, tucked Mateo in, and now I'm in the studio getting at it. And it is now currently 0026. So I'm just closing in on 2 hours, and I'm getting to the hour hand now. I'm not going to get in under the wire for that 2 hour time recommendation, but it's my first time. I'm learning so much though. It's so freaking awesome. What a humbling experience. I can't even imagine. Wow, how these watchmakers do this every day. Okay, we got the hour hand on. It only took me 37 minutes. I think I'm getting a little bit better, but wow, this is incredible. All right, I look like the mad scientist here, but there's some progress here going on. We just finished the minute hand. Time now, 1:24. Just closing in on 3 hours. This is something though. Oh my goodness. All right, we finally got the seconds hand on, and it's running. Oh boy, we have liftoff. We're on our way. Push the crown in and you can see there's that seconds hand sweeping around the dial. Obstruction free. Yeah. Oh my goodness gracious. This is certainly going to have me having an appreciation for this watch as a DIY project. This is incredible. I'm already telling you right now, this watch is not going anywhere. It's in the collection for life. After all this time, what time is it? And I'm not even close to finished yet. It's 2:03. I've been going at it since 10:30 p.m. It's 2:03. Holy crap. You want to see? Look, 2:03. Oh my goodness. All right, let's go. Let's finish her up. I can't leave it like this.
I'm dreaming after you, chasing you in my sleep bag. You know it's early afternoon, but it's the only way that I'll finally see your face. 'Cause I've been thinking about the days when you were mine. No set of rules.
Okay, we got it done. We got it done. The time now is 3:47 a.m. I got to get to bed. I got to get up in like 3-4 hours. Whoo boy. The Maxi GMT DIY Watch Club. Looks pretty good for my first time. It only took over 5 hours. Pretty snazzy though. Good looking diver GMT. Full review coming to the channel. Thanks for tuning in. Well, I did it. I did it. Do I look like I have more wrinkles? Wow. 5 hours and 20 minutes, I think. And not without some flaws. Oh, wow. But you know what? It's on the wrist. The Maxi GMT by DIY. I woke up and it's still running. It's still running. That's awesome. My own craftsmanship on the wrist. It's still keeping good time. So we'll take it on the road today. We'll see how she holds up.